What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you for checking your girl out. So as you can see by the title, today I will be doing a Rihanna inspired look that is perfect for summertime. She had worn this look to her Body Lava launch, and girl, the entire look, I was just like, yes. Like, yes. It's a very beautiful, common, simple summertime look that we often go for, and I just needed to recreate the look. I thought it was so beautiful, especially with the way that she paired her lips. I couldn't help it. I couldn't help myself. Summertime is coming, the months is getting warm, you know, shoulders are coming out. I'm ready to risk it all. So if you're interested in seeing how I was able to achieve her look and my rendition of her look, then definitely keep on watching, okay? We're gonna get it together for summer, honey. Yes. Alright. So this entire look is brought to you by Huda Beauty's Warms Obsession palette. In all seriousness, guys, this is the only palette I use to do this eye look. So I'm going in with this first color, and we're gonna apply that to our crease as our transition color. And this is just gonna help the rest of the shadows blend well together, and this shadow is gorgeous. Now I'm gonna take this darker plummy brown color, and I'm also gonna apply that into the crease. Moving on, taking the same exact shadow, we're going to go ahead and run that along our lower lash line just to add a bit of definition. Not much, just very natural definition. Then taking the gold color, I'm going to go ahead and apply that onto my lid. This gold color is absolutely gorgeous. It took very little work to get it to the intensity which I was able to achieve. I love this gold color, and I just love this palette in general. Okay, and now I'm going to be taking this smaller definer blending brush. I'm going to go ahead and use that to blend the gold into the crease. You just want to blend the shadow until you are satisfied, and then you want to blend some more, okay? Blending takes time, so just take your time when blending just to really get all the colors to melt really nicely together. Then I'm going to go back into that plummy brown color that I applied earlier to our crease and lower lash line, and as you can see, I just said just to use a little bit just on the outer portion of our crease, just to reapply some of the intensity and depth that we lost when applying the gold shadow, just very little. Then I'm going to go ahead back with the gold, and I'm going to go ahead and apply that into my inner tear duct, and then I'm also going to run that gold along my lower lash line. From the photo of reference that I'm using, it does look like she has some of the gold ran along her lower lash line, which is so beautiful because it really helps to just catch the light. It's just gorgeous. Now moving on to my face, I'm using my Anastasia bronzer Mahogany to bronze up the places that I typically like to bronze, such as my temple, my cheeks, my chin, my nose, my jaw. You already know the gist. If you haven't seen my base tutorial, I will go ahead and link that down below so you guys can get more detail on how it is I like to apply my foundation base. Then moving on, I'm going to be taking this highlight from Fenty Beauty in Hustler Baby. I'm just going to apply that to the highest points of my cheek to get that glow, okay? And I also applied a little bit under my brow bone. And then I went ahead and applied it down the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose. I don't typically do this, but from the photo I was using as reference, it does look like this is something she has done with her makeup. Then I'm going to be taking NYX Cinnamon Blush, and I'm going to ahead and apply that to my cheeky cheeks. It's going to give me a really nice natural flush without being too much and too overpowering, and it's just going to really help to add to that bronze effect that we're going for. Now, I haven't been able to use this highlight duo since I have last hauled it, and I'm really excited to be using it. So I went ahead and layered it on top of the Cinnamon Blush by NYX, and it just gives me a really nice pinky natural flush. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and add some mascara, okay? Now moving on, I didn't have a metallic gold lip gloss, so I just went ahead and improvised. So I just used the gold from the palette, and I went ahead and put that onto my lips, and I really rubbed it in, as you can see. And I really liked the way it came out. So go ahead and apply that onto your lips. Now, as you can see, I applied a pinky metallic gloss on top, and it kind of took away some of the gold. So I would suggest that you just apply some lip gloss first and then put on the gold shadow if this is a technique in which you're using to achieve this gold lip. And you just want to pat the gold into the lip gloss. and once you've applied that, you should hopefully arrive to the final look, which looks something like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Alright y'all, so this is it for the final look. Tell me this look isn't fire, and I'm gonna call you a liar. I rhymed. I got skills. What can I say? I got skills. But yeah, this is it for the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my rendition of this look. I hope you guys are able to make use of it. And if you'd like to see more content from me, be sure to come back next Monday, because I upload new videos every Monday. I'll be right here to hang out with y'all. Okay? So be sure to let me know what you think about the look down below. And until then, I will see you next Monday. Bye!